Hello everybody, thank you for joining the channel. Today we will be learning to do a pose, as in a flying or an action pose, and it's like a spread eagle sort of action. So to begin, we will get that work area set, and if your pencils are ready, this should be a fairly easy exercise. So I just need a curve like that, loosely put in. Here, two circles like that, one thin line, and I hope that this is visible. I'm going to actually go with this particular pen here. So there's that circle, and so circle, arc, one line going through like that. So it's just shapes so far. Arc, circle, arc like that, arc, circle, and arc. The arc can go this way or that, it doesn't matter, but I would put it like this: arc and one oval right here. So you will be surprised by how easy this is once we put everything together. As in, we're going to construct a quick shape around the lines that we have put in. So this here is the chest, these here are the delts. Right there is the first arm, outstretched. Right there is the second arm, outstretched. There is the face, and we can imagine that this will be the eyes. The eyes are there, the mouth, and from there on I'm going to put in another fist here. That is how easy it is. From here on, you could put in any set of details to make that a little bit sharper there. So you can put on any number of details. You could give this guy a cape, or you could give this guy a number of details depending on the source of light where the shadows will hit, going to enhance your image. And that is an easy, very quick exercise in doing a flying, minimal flying action pose. I hope this was of some help. Please do Google images to put in some practice. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.